Welcome to igmGuru. igmGuru is one of the global leading online training and certification provider for IT expert by the skilled IT gurus to help them achieve their professional goals.
So guided experience is nothing but the trial version. I'm sure you must have heard of it or used it or using it already. Yeah, we could sign up, any individual can sign up for a guided experience using a personal email ID, using a Gmail as well. Okay. Although SAP asks for, we'll see that now, but it asks for a business email, but I have used a few Gmail IDs, like two or three of them. And every time we sign up, the first time we get is 30 days. Yeah. It may go up to 90 days. SAP may extend it up to 90 days. So, right. It's intended for training purposes for a person. You have sufficient connections to source systems like S4 HANA on-prem, S4 Cloud, HANA Cloud, standalone database, and a few more. Like sometimes I have also seen a connection to GCP, but it takes some time to set it up, right, and activate the connections. So I'm talking about the non-SAP connections. So the remaining SAP native connections are active. And we also have inbuilt integration. It's an app integration with SAC. In guided experience, that's the good part. It's already inbuilt, so we could access in parallel SAC. Once we have built a model, you could easily consume this in a story. And then we have a productive version, which business will use or enterprise will use. If it enables, you could get hold of a productive tenant via BTP or Discovery Center. Yeah. And so you have two versions. As of now, we have a standard tier and free tier. The so-called free tier wasn't there, say 2 or 3 months ago. Yeah, this is something new. Okay. And we will also go into the system and check the websites, the URLs. We have some pricing options like pay-as-you-go, a cloud platform enterprise agreement, and a subscription-based. A customer may choose between these. All these are commercially viable, right? They are all commercial entitlements. If one wants to use a pay-as-you-go, even a free tier, he or she can do it, or an enterprise can do it. So again, SAP provides 90 days for the free tier, but it does ask for payment information, and it asks for organization details. Yeah. While people may go for this, because it's a productive tenant, right? You have a lot more that you don't have in guided experience. So one who wants to have a perspective of the real productive system, then they may go for pay-as-you-go free tier, input their payment information, but they may also use some dummy organizations. You know what I mean, right? It's up to us to take a chance and do it. For sure, we need credit card details. And although it's 0 USD or 0 INR euros, whatever, it's end of the day, it won't cost us. That's the expectation, right? Whereas the standard tier, there is a cost associated. It depends on how it depends upon the CUs, capacity units. There is a capacity unit estimator using which we may get a view of or an estimate of the cost. Yeah. And then there is this CPEA. The pricing, it works the same. Yeah. So it's a cloud platform enterprise agreement. When an organization wants to sign up with SAP for implementing Datasphere, they may go with this agreement, or there is also a subscription based. It could be tailor-made, it could be customized based on the customer needs, based on the data sizing, and so on. Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. For full course, please visit www.igmguru.com and enroll today.